Mais j'ai pas envie de nier ça. Sinon, vous l'avez.
Mais c'est dommage, parce que j'espérais qu'on me disait qu'il n'y a pas eu de temps.
Je sens des perches. C'est qu'on oui, avec des petites blagues de tâches. C'est qu'on oui.
besoin d'une jeune.
Parce que cet été, j'ai reçu un coup de bâton sur le pouce en jouant au décalqué. On sous-estime souvent l'utilité des ondes. Ça ne sert pas juste à gratter des gratteux, ça sert aussi à gratter des stickers de code barre. Mon ongle est devenu rouge, après ça bon, après ça bleu, après ça il y avait des petites teintes jaunes. Ça fait 2 semaines, ça fait 5 mois quand même. Et là, il y a 2 semaines, pouf, je l'ai perdu dans mon déménagement. J'ai disparu pendant que je déménageais des affaires.
Ça vous a pas fait mal?
Non, j'ai rien senti.
Mais là, ça a l'air de tout ceux qui se rongent les doigts, là, la moitié, puis la petite boule, là.
Donc, cette semaine, grande nouvelle, je suis devenu officiellement un explorateur du ripasso. C'est mon application dans laquelle j'inscris les bouteilles de vin que je bois qui me le dit. J'ai reçu un email. Congratulations, you're now an explorer in Italian ripasso.
Ça veut dire que vous buvez beaucoup de ripasso.
C'est mieux que d'être un explorateur du Codorniu ou du Caballero de Chili, le genre d'explorateur qui perd sa montre. Je sais quand j'aime le vin, mais je ne sais jamais trop pourquoi. Même principe que pour la bouffe, la musique et la plupart de mes amis. Quant au restaurant, le serveur me demande de goûter au vin, ben, je dis toujours qu'il est bon. Je me dis si j'avais pas cette petite tendance à aller voir mon compte Goodreads.
Non seulement Joe Biden, mais eux-mêmes et notre...
Je m'ennuie du bon vieux.
So I've been grinding the underside of the tub. It looks like there's a liner on it. I brushed it with like just like a wire brush. This one actually. And then some places where there wasn't that liner, I could get to the metal, factory metal, I believe. There's still like a factory paint on it, I think, or whatever protective paint there's on it. And then when I get to the bottom, there's obviously been some liner. The guy was treating the underside with oil every, I think, few months. And then but I'm not sure if it's just a mix of dirt and oil that dries or cooked on the other side, or it's an actual liner, but it's pretty solid. And then I've been using a wire wheel to with a battery grinder, Ryobi battery grinder, to strip it, and then it's pretty successful doing it, but it's tedious, a lot of work to get it off. But I like the result. And this wire brush has been holding up very well. Some Canadian Tire. It's maximum. And then yeah, that's the sturdiest wire brush I ever bought, actually. There's probably like 3 hours worth of work on it as for now, and then digging into the sharp edges and so forth, and I have still a lot of meat on it, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get maybe 2 more of those brushes and I should be able to complete the job. Have a quarter done, well, a little bit more than a quarter, maybe a third of the job done. So I figured with the rest of this, I should be able to finish like the middle section here and maybe start a little bit of the bottom, and then another wire wheel on the back, and then it's probably a little bit of the same kind of stuff inside the tub as well. Let me show you. That's probably gonna want to strip that as well. If I go light, there you go. I believe this is the same kind of stuff inside here. So, which is not a bad idea. Like, it seemed to be doing a good job at protecting the metal, except for the base of the post. But see, it's stopped right here. I'm not sure if it's factory protector or if it's added. But anyhow, the tub is in great shape. Like, only a few sections show surface rust, and the fenders had a little bit of rust, but I welded new parts in it. So straightened up pretty well as for now. And there's a mix of I don't know what that is. Is it body filling, or I feel like this was rusted and someone did some work on the sim here all around. Well, maybe this section was changed. I don't know. It's like the front section is like in very good condition. So that's where I'm at.